What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with my boy Trey Cockrum.
What's going on, everybody? How you doing?
18-year-old entrepreneur, killing the game. So in this video, we're going to be talking about business models and opportunities that you guys can take advantage of in 2018. So I'll start us off.
Go ahead,
so
man.
I mean, for me, for instance, what I do is I run a marketing agency and I do some other things, but specifically marketing with influencers, helping them sell educational products, and then taking a portion of what we drive for these different influencers.
Right.
And then we also work with e-com brands that, like, specifically fitness e-com brands. We have like 2 or 3 of that. No, we have 2 right now, and then we have some other ones. But we help them sell their online products on Facebook and different platforms, and they pay us a monthly retainer for that.
Yeah, so basically they partner with like massive influencers or personal brands that already exist online and essentially build a machine around what they've sort of already built organically so that they can predict sales and they drive revenue more predictably that way. It's a pretty powerful business model. That's really what he's into. I guess I'll share what I'm into as well.
Go for it.
So I run actually one of those personal brands, sort of on a smaller scale though, and I don't really sell. I sell a couple information products, a couple courses, but more than that, I sell like coaching. So like my content out there on the internet, on YouTube, is designed to get people to want to work with me one-on-one. And then later on, I'll structure out courses for it. But right now, I have like clients that pay me like $1,200 a month for like my mentorship or my coaching or my consulting, right? And so that's just to help them with their marketing or help them like scale their brand that is existing. So like the clients that we service are a lot alike, but he actually provides the marketing service, whereas I help people do it themselves. Really, is a good way to look at it.
Just basically like mentorship.
Like mentorship, like helping people, like one-on-one. People pay me good money to learn from me about digital marketing. Really, it's sort of what I do.
Yeah, and it's, I mean, information's abundant. So, I mean, I think the point of this video is really just to give you guys, because I mean, I'm 19, Trey, he's 18, just like a perspective on things that you guys can pursue to like actually start making money, because like I can give that to yourself and you can type in how to make money online, how to start a social media marketing agency, and you guys can go on a tangent and find that different stuff.
Right.
These are just business models.
And there's so many ways to make money. So we're just trying to like take a couple ideas that we would be doing if we had the time or that we are doing, just to sort of give you some examples. So I guess I can start. We're both going to share 2. The first one that I'd start with, and I actually talk about this a bunch on my personal YouTube channel. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, you know that. But I talk about dropshipping. So dropshipping, essentially what it is you set up an online storefront and you partner with manufacturers or wholesalers of products and sell their products for them, and you profit on the markup. So say, I'm selling, this would be an expensive product to sell. Let's say a Chinese manufacturer is making these cameras at scale. They're making like 100 a minute or something, right? I can come in and sell these for like $50 a piece, while they're selling them to me for like 25. And then or a better example even, a little goat or whatever, So like the manufacturer makes it for $5, I sell it for $8, and I make $3 every time I sell it. The manufacturer actually ships it for me as well, or the wholesaler ships it for me, so I don't even have to see the product. I can sell 500 of those little goats in a day, and a wholesaler will actually ship them out for me. I won't have to ever touch the product. So that's just a high-level view of how that works, and you send traffic to your website through things like Facebook ads or influencer marketing. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's a really powerful way to send traffic. That's a business model that I love, and I think it's a great way to get started as a beginner. And the cool thing is, if you aren't happy with dropshipping as a business model, the money that you make in dropshipping isn't even anywhere near as valuable as like the skills that you learn. Like now you learn how to run Facebook ads, and you learn how to start an e-commerce store, and you can become a paid consultant for businesses to teach them the things that you know now. So there's so many ways that can turn into money down the line.
So the other one that I'm going to talk about is not something that I'm doing currently because of all the other projects I have, but this is something that I know people are doing, and it's very fruitful, and I don't think a lot of people are talking about it, and that is paid affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing in general. So what this is you can go to platforms like ClickBank and find valuable like coaching programs, even supplements, and then you can sell through your link to other people, and then you get commissions off of that. So it's almost kind of like dropshipping in a sense, but just for like
digital products.
Yeah, digital products.
Yeah, like affiliate marketing is like let's say there's a $500 like educational product on like how to lose weight, right? You'll run Facebook, it's a common one. Like you will run Facebook ads to people who have weight issues or people who have liked pages related to fitness, trying to sell this $500 program, and you make $150 whenever you sell it because ClickBank keeps track of the link that it provides you. So
and it's super easy, especially for people who are just starting, you don't have like the knowledge to really build your own platform, maybe you don't have the personal brand, it's an easy way for you guys to just start getting money in by selling other valuable products.
Right, so you don't have to create your own product yourself, because at the end of the day, business is products and services, right? And if you don't have the time to figure out what people need, you just capitalize on what you already know people need, what's already selling well, because ClickBank will tell you what's selling well.
Yep.
So, yeah, and that's so far we have dropshipping, we have affiliate marketing. The next one I want to tap into, and this is sort of like coming up recently, sort of in our space, in our community, the people that we hang out around are talking a lot about the ATM business. And so essentially how this works is, you can find an ATM manufacturer or supplier, and you can buy an ATM off of them for anywhere from like $2,000 to $4,000, depending on the quality of the ATM. And you can place it in a high traffic area, like a retail store that takes cash only, or like a club or something like that, or like a hotel lobby or something where they're going to need cash, right? Place it there, and you actually make money on the transaction fee. So all you have to do is, like, if you set the transaction fee for like $7 per transaction, somebody will come through and get $100 out of your ATM, and you'll make $7. And if that happens, 30 times a day, that's a lot of recurring income for you. All you have to do is keep cash in the ATM, and then it's almost like passive income. And even then, you can hire people or hire services to come and fill the ATMs for you, to keep them fill for you, so you don't have to visit them. So then you can have ATMs around the United States or around your local area, wherever you want them to be. You just have to keep cash in them, and you're getting that transaction fee recurring on a monthly basis. They attach, I think the ATM machines have software that links to your bank and sends you payments automatically.
Yeah, payments.
So it's a pretty cool business. You can look into it. I don't have a whole lot about it on my channel or on my personal brand. There's a lot of information out there. I may talk about it at some point, but it's a really neat business model, and I recommend getting into it.
Yeah, I mean that one like requires about probably $6,000 to really start.
Yeah,
but it's a good way to build that passive income because I mean to start, maybe you're the one that's going and filling it up, but there's companies out there that will go and actually go and like fill it up for you. Obviously, that takes away from some of your profit margins, but it's an easy way to build a passive income stream and then start building other different things.
Right. It's like an investment of any kind. You know?
It's just like making, like, instead of your money sitting in your savings account, then you can actually allocate your money, so then you're making your money's actually making itself.
And it's crazy too. Like if I had known about that, like when I was 17, I had that money in the bank and it was just sitting there in the savings account. Like if I had known about it, I would have put the money into ATM business instantly, because like then the money's growing. The nature of the money changes from sitting and devaluing itself like slowly over time to now it's in the market and it's growing. It's just a totally different way of viewing your money, really. But let's see, there's one last business model that you wanted to talk about, right? Social media marketing, or did you already bring it up?
I talked about social media marketing.
You talked about it? Is that the end of the video then?
Yeah, I can talk about one other business model that I'm doing right now, which kind of requires like affiliate marketing. That goes to the personal brand. If you guys aren't building a personal brand, you should.
Yeah.
If you have any type of knowledge or expertise on something, you just start publishing your content like online and giving free value, which will grow your following. So then you can monetize later. So you can put like say affiliate links. Like what if we were talking about a video about this amazing course that changed our lives? Check it out down below. Click it, then we get a commission.
Yeah, like
right?
A personal brand is like building a following around you, And so I talk about a lot about that on my channel. I call it like the theory behind building an audience that you can monetize. People who are lined up to hear more information from you that are willing to pay for it. It's really, really, really powerful. So I have an email list, and I don't think I've shared this with you, Elliot, but I have an email list of people that have bought stuff from me, and I sent it to somebody to evaluate like how valuable this email list, and I could literally sell that email list of like 300 people for like 150 grand or like 200 grand because of the amount of money that you can make with it. Just like 200 people that have bought something with me, just that small email list. And I've plenty more people that bought stuff with me, but they're like my highest dollar clients. That email list is, to me, worth millions in the future because I can sell to them more stuff. So building that list out for yourself, building that audience is a pretty huge one. Pretty powerful.
Yeah, and to go into the other business model, and it's a membership program, which kind of goes with consulting. But this is what we're doing. You call it the Facebook Ad Accelerator, and it's a 3-month-long program, which only 15 slots are available. And each week we get on a Zoom call with people and then teach them through this long curriculum for 12 weeks, right? And then we record all the videos, which is doing two things. People are paying $2,000 a month for 3 months, or they're paying $5,000 all the way up front and getting $1,000 off. So who's not going to pay that $5,000? So it locks it in. And then we're also, what that does is it's building us a program at the same exact time because we're recording it. So then we have a downsell later whenever we open up the future months. We can be like, hey, if you can't afford, the $5,000 for the actual one-on-one mentorship, you can, buy our downsell for $500, which is all of the video recordings from, the previous month.
And it's a lot like selling an information product like we talked about earlier. Like with my personal following on YouTube, I can sell them courses and information products. A mastermind's a lot the same route. So like people pay money to come and learn, and they're willing to pay the $5,000 because they know how valuable this stuff is. So then the live stream into the group, take those recordings, put them into an information product, sell it later by driving traffic through like Facebook ads or his personal YouTube channel or whatever. So, if you know something, if you have a skill or you have knowledge, you can monetize that information really well online if you understand the process of launching an information product. So, essentially the point of this video is there's 1,001 ways to make money, but honestly, from our experience combined, being in this for about a year, I've been about a year, it's been about 2 years, like specifically in the online space, this is really what we've learned and how we function is like, these are the business models that we really love. And we recommend that you get into.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Elliot Drake and Trey Cockrum. If you're on my channel, go check him out. His link will be in the description below.
And if you're on mine, definitely check him out as well. He talks a lot about how he structured his agency to do what it's doing. In 6 months, he's built an agency that is larger than almost anybody else that I've met who runs an agency. And I'm incredibly proud of him and happy to call him a friend. So check him out and subscribe for sure. All right.
Don't get it confused. Yeah. I'm in tune, yeah. I'm in tune, yeah. I'm in tune,